Meet a talented Shrikant. NGO Sathi rescues children from various railway stations in India. Children leave their homes for reasons like pressure for education, disinterest in studies, scoldings by parents. Children are then restored back with their families. Shrikant, a 12-year-old boy, was rescued from Wadi railway station in Karnataka in 2005. After 11 years, we wanted to check for Shrikant and his well-being. We visited his home at Kalburgi district of Karnataka. Shrikant was young when his father died. His mother and brother worked as daily wage laborers at a cement factory. A meeting with Sathi after so many days made him emotional. He recalls his difficult days in 2005.
ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇದು ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚೊಂದು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಓದಬೇಕು ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ. ಮತ್ತಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇದು ಒತ್ತಡ ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು.
After reuniting with his family, he has never run away again. He completed his 12th and then dropped because of financial difficulties at home. He now earns Rs 6,000 per month at the cement factory. He also has other pursuits that he eagerly shares with us.
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಓರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತಂದರೆ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವ ಅದು. ಪರ್ ಡೇ 220 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 6,600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಿಂಗಳ ಸಂಬಳ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಮನೆದು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಷ್ಟು ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಮತ್ತಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಅದು ಭಾಳೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಂದು ಡಿ ಜೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನು ಈಗ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Shrikant's interest in music has made him famous in his village. He is often invited at festivals and marriage processions to play his music. This becomes his additional income. A talented Shrikant is now full of energy and new dreams. It was a joy to meet the optimistic and smiling Shrikant. His future looks promising. What would have happened if Shrikant would not have been rescued? Would he still be smiling and dreaming of his future? Sathi, on behalf of parents and children, would like to thank the railway authorities for their support.